Welcome and welcome back, my lovely people. Greeting from South Wales here. It's my summer holiday, and this year we want to explore beautiful landscapes and Welsh people and culture. In this vlog, I'm sharing with you some meals I cook and pack for my hikes to fuel myself and not over and under eating, and to sustain my healthy and balanced diet throughout this active holiday. Alright, let's jump right into today's video. We stayed at a lovely self-catering cottage in Llangattock, a small village near Crickhowell. I'm so pleased to find a zero-waste shop right in Crickhowell town centre, where I got small amount of ingredients like oats, lentils and rice, which you'll see me using during this holiday. My breakfast is overnight oats with coconut protein powder that I brought from home with banana and strawberries. Now we're ready for our first hike. Feel the sun. Let's go. Let's see how I'll survive in, I don't know, the next 5 hours. If we manage to finish walking in 5 hours. I hope they're not too hot though.
Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua com essa enrolação. Já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, você só continua com essa enrolação. Eu já limpei e arrumei o que você pediu, enquanto você tinha outra coisa que arrumar. E mesmo assim te esperando você não saiu. Falou que falta eu botar água pra esquentar. Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua.
Made it to the top. Not again. And I think it's like 28, 29 degrees, but then full sun. I thought I was gonna die for a few moments. At least there's some cool breeze. It's almost like my legs are giving up. Step ups and split squats. That they don't help. They don't help with hiking like this. But made it. I made myself a cheese and chutney sandwich. Also added cottage cheese for extra protein and a big box of pasta salad, the red lentils, fusilli with cottage cheese, some Greek yogurt, lemon juice, spinach and tomato and chickpeas. So this will keep me going. Now that I get to sit down and take deep breaths and finally having my lunch, finally get to appreciate the view a bit, because a bit earlier I was like, I don't keep a flipping fly about this. It's pretty cool, and at least there's some cool breeze. The sandwich has been on a journey of 6-hour walk. Still good, but very soggy. Hard on cheese. Very sweet matron. You want another one? It's nice and sweet. It's dinner time. We went to Aldi to get a few essentials when we arrived in Brecon. I keep my shopping list minimal for any self-catering stays and only get versatile essentials like eggs, lentil pasta, spinach, tin beans and tinned tomato with herbs, so I don't need garlic and spices. For fresh produce is easy to get from local grocer and markets. I'm cooking simple tuna and chickpea pasta today. I still struggle to have varied plant protein sources while keeping my shopping list minimal. Tofu isn't always available in smaller villages, unfortunately, so I incorporate tuna and chicken back to my diet to prevent me from having way too much dairy. I'm not going to cook every meal, so it is also key to ration food and prioritize protein. I find this is much more manageable for the cost and convenient perspective for both of us this time, despite having to compromise my veggie diet. Of course, you can use more chickpeas and leave the tuna out. This pasta dish is so easy to make. I fry onion, pepper and mushroom if using. Add 2/3 of tomato sauce, season with salt and pepper. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Cook the pasta until almost al dente and then add to the sauce. Dinner is served and it is definitely well deserved after a long day of hike. It has the volume that we need and it is packed with protein from pasta and tuna. Dessert for today, of course, is a Welsh Greek yogurt whipped with protein powder with some granola and fresh nectarines. I'm not sure about you, but I think Welsh milk and yogurt taste really nice and creamy, and I must say, I'm quite in love. I think I did pretty well today for my first full day of hike in Wales. Nothing feels better than eating food with your hands. Another day of walking. If I'm honest, I'm quite tired. Instead of lying in today, obviously I couldn't go back to sleep, so I still woke up around 6:15. So I appreciate that today's walk is a little bit gentler, and surprisingly it's not as warm as yesterday. Actually, we just mentioned that it would have been better doing yesterday walk today, but I still think that once you get the most challenging thing out of the way, you can feel a bit more relaxed and not as tired. And today we can take it very easy, kind of more river walk, cooler, hopefully stay cool the whole day. Come along with me on my river walk today. This is our lunch. We both got the same thing, Buddha bowl, but might have extra chicken. I know, controversial. She's having chicken in ages, but if I don't have chicken now, I'm gonna struggle with hitting my protein without having to eat tons of dairy again. So I think this is like the best way out. Look at how beautiful and colorful this is. I can't wait. I really can't wait to dig in. I've dreamt about this since last night, so I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna really enjoy this. A little bit of avocado, guacamole. Very lovely guacamole. And the black beans, or turtle beans. Yes. The chicken is very nice. I feel bad, but it's nice. First of all, that was a really good lunch. I really enjoyed it. Every single thing, I could lick the whole bowl. Not joking. I'm very much like eating lunch out type of person rather than dinner. Yeah, back to real walk where we supposed to came earlier, but we couldn't manage to cut across the path because the public food path was closed due to some construction for the festival that's gonna happen in, I think, like in August. So we had to walk back the same way along the canal. We're just gonna continue that along the river on this side and then back again. Today's dinner is using curry paste pot I found at the local grocer. You can also use curry sauce in a jar if that's available to you. It's not going to be an authentic curry, but this allows me to use up the rest of tomato sauce, bulking up with the lentils I've got. Because I don't have any coconut cream, I only add a tiny bit of milk to calm the heat and add more creamy flavor. Serve that with basmati rice, and here we have another nutritious, comforting dinner using all of the ingredients that we have. But I still think mission complete with the nice yogurt, right?
Yeah,
It's a lot better than the flavor from. That's so cool. Decided to come out for an evening walk after dinner because dinner was really filling. If we sat there, I think, at least for me, I would probably fall asleep straight away, provided how tired I am. I'm gonna sign off this vlog, although we're gonna stay here for another couple of days. You know, just want to give you like a snapshot of what I eat or what I pack going for a hike. I hope you really enjoyed watching it and get inspiration for your next trip, especially if you're doing like self-catering kind of stay. I think it is so much better and it's not as scary as you think, and save you a lot of cost, and you can still get to eat your home cooked meal but changing of the place and scenery. So yeah, now I'm just gonna carry on with my evening walk, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.